hit to the post last year. He had his first run on the ramp, and that is a 2.5 roll with half twist. Round the corner, onto the infield late. Hits the run. And that's a 1 and 3 Fiesta. In the Fiesta, he eased off a little bit, and that's 1 and 3/4 with a pirouette as well. Well painted. Not running that well, I'll be honest. However, we had a nice little cartwheel there. That was quite a cute. Here goes Derek in the Fiesta. He's gone for the slowly. That's 1 and 3/4. Very similar. Oh, no, that... So here we go. Toby Atherton, 4.26. Picked up some speed. That's once over. He's not going to go again because his passenger approach onto the infield. Puts his foot down. Here we go. James Paisley. Well, we've got a real delete. He's going to try and go again with 3 wheels on his wagon.